Alright, today we are making peach cobbler, and these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a stick of butter in our glass pan. We're going to place that in the oven for that to melt. Now while my butter is melting, I'm going to go ahead and open up my peaches. I like extra peaches in mine, so I'm using a large can and a small can. Alright, now my butter's melted. I'm going to go ahead and pour my peaches over the bottom, juice and all. I'm going to pour my extra can since I like more. Alright, now I'm going to set this aside while I go ahead and mix up the batter. Alright, into my bowl I'm going to add a cup of self-rising flour and a half a cup of sugar, and then I'm going to add a cup of milk to that, and I'm just going to stir that up. Alright, I'm just going to stir it around until it's all mixed up together. Now my batter is smooth. I'm going to start spooning it over top, just back and forth. Alright, I've got my oven set to 400 degrees, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in here, and I'm going to set my timer for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and check it, and I'm going to cook it till it's a golden brown. Alright, 20 minutes is up. I'm checking it. It's not done. I'm going to put it back in here for another 10 minutes until it gets golden brown. Alright, once it starts to get a little bit brown, right before I get my golden brown, I start with sprinkling a little bit of sugar on top. Just a little bit of sugar all over the top of it. Then I put it back in there for just about 5 more minutes until it's good and golden brown. Just ever how much you like. Alright, you want to look for the bubbles all around the side and the golden brown top. And it did take about 40 minutes for this. We're going to take and put it on the top and let it cool just for a few minutes. Alright, and we'll be back to serve it up. Alright, our peach cobbler is just about finished cooling. Look how good that looks. You can see peaches over here, and then you've got the browned topping, a little bit of sugar on top. It's going to be delicious. Alright, now here is our peach cobbler. It's got the beautiful brown crust, and we've got peaches everywhere. And enjoy. Be sure to comment if you try this recipe. Let me know what you think. For more recipes like this, just like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.